Good morning, Ryan from Perry's here. Just a quick video to show you the basic controls of your new vehicle. So we'll start off on the steering wheel. I'll show you how to connect your Bluetooth up in a moment, but when it is, you've got your answer and your decline buttons here. You've also got your voice command, your volume controls, and this one here will go up and down between your contacts, your songs. This one here will flick between the radio and your Bluetooth device when it is connected. Okay. On the right hand side is where your trip computer is controlled. So this button here, we'll go through all the different settings there, and then you've got the little arrows you can go up and down with. Okay, and then mode, you'll see brings the cruise control on just here. Now in order to set that, get to your desired speed on the motorway, dual carriageway, wherever you like, pull this little button down to set. It's going to say it can't be set at the moment, and it will hold you at that speed. And then you've got your adaptive button here. So this button will, you can determine how close you want to follow the car in front of you. If that vehicle in front of you brakes, this vehicle will brake. If that speeds up, this vehicle will speed up to what you have set the cruise control to. Now if you push mode again, you'll see it comes up with a limit. Now you can again just set that like that, and you can set how fast you want the vehicle to go, and it will not go over this speed. Now in order to cancel that out, you either just push mode and it will go, or you can just push a little zero here. On the indicator stalks, where your lights are controlled, so it is fitted with auto lights, so you can just turn it to auto, which you can see there, and you won't need to touch those. And then you've got your fog lights in the middle there. On the other side is your window wiper control, so it's again fitted with auto window wipers. So you push it up once, you'll see the little dial come up saying auto in there, and then you don't need to touch the front ones. For the rear one, you just simply turn the little dial on the end. For the washer jets, for the front, you pull this little lever towards you, and for the rear, you push it away from you. And then you've got your intermittent speed in the middle. Down by your knee, you'll find quite a few different buttons. This one is your traction control, okay? This one is your lane keep assist, so it will use a sensor just behind this mirror up here to keep you within the lines on a motorway, dual carriageway, or a single carriageway. Then you've got your blind spot detection, which you'll see the little orange lights there will tell you if someone's in your blind spot, and if you do try to move into that lane, it will beep at you. You've got your VESS, which is your virtual electronic sound system, so if you're reversing, you might not be able to pick it up on the video, but it is making a little noise at the moment just to say you are in reverse. Then you've got your information screen, so it's got a heads up display. I don't know how well you can see that. You can fold it away if you don't want that, just by pushing this little button here. And then you've got your, this one here is for your display brightness, and then your headlight adjustments just down there. On the driver's door, you've got your auto folding wing mirrors, your left and right mirror controls, your rear window lock, your lock and your unlock button for the vehicle, and then you've got your 4 window controls. Nice and simple to use, just like the same on pretty much any car nowadays. Down here is where your heated seats are. So you've got your heated seat there, it's on a 3-stage setting, and you've got your ventilated seats again on a 3-stage. You've got that for both driver and passenger. You've got your drive modes, so you've got sports, eco, comfort. If you hold it, you'll get eco plus, which will give you a little bit more mileage. It does limit the vehicle to 60 miles an hour, which you can see here. Okay, I'll leave it in eco for you. And then you've got your heated steering wheel. Auto hold, so you'll see the little auto hold symbol here. When you are in drive, which I'll put it in now, see the little auto hold symbol goes green. You can fully let your foot off the brake and it will hold you just like a handbrake. As soon as you touch the accelerator, the vehicle will pull off. Okay. Then you've got your parking sensors. So parking sensors you can turn off and on. So if you put it into reverse at the moment, and I started to reverse behind me, it will start to beep. You can turn it off just by pushing that. Okay. Back in park. Then obviously you've got your handbrake, so that's to put the handbrake on. That's to release the handbrake. You might not pick it up in the video, but you can hear it, and obviously you'll see the little symbol on the dashboard just here. Okay, and then you've got your shift by wire gear, so you've got drive, neutral, reverse and park. Okay, now when your handbrake is engaged, you push drive, it does disengage the handbrake automatically. Okay, and then you've got your climate control, so you've also got the off button, so you can adjust the temperature, hot or cold. Okay, and you'll see that just up there. Then you've got your fan speed, and you'll see that one just on the other side of the screen. Then you've got your fan direction, so this button here, and you can see that just in the centre. You push it, give you different options of where you want it to go. And you've got your air conditioning button, your climate button, rear heated window, this one. Front, we'll just put the blowers on up the front, got driver only, okay. And then you've just got recirculation, and just push off. Hazard lights. Now onto the entertainment system. So it's split into 3 screens. You've got your sat nav, your radio, and your electric vehicle battery charge range all up there. Search stations as well. So we'll start off on the sat nav. So there's a couple of ways you can get onto the sat nav. You can either tap the screen, it'll bring up a map, okay. You can tap the map and it'll do the same thing, or you can click nav, go to address. Once you've changed it from Germany to UK once, you won't need to do that again. Pop in your postcode of wherever you're going, click set start guidance, and it will direct you to that route. And then you've got your radio, so you can click on radio, or you can click radio there. And then you can change your songs. Got loads of different radio stations on there. Okay, you've got your volume controls there and on there. You can turn it off just by pushing that. Then on the right hand side is where your battery life is. So you've got 98% battery at the moment, and it's saying you've got 453 kilometers. It does tell you in here in miles. Okay, so if you don't understand that, you can always just look in here. Now, in order to set up your Bluetooth, you push set up on here, go to phone connection, Bluetooth connections, and add new. Okay, click OK because you want hands-free and audio, and then it will come out of Kona. So you go to your Bluetooth device and you'll find the name Kona. You'll enter the pin that comes up on the screen once you've connected, and it will automatically connect. Okay, then it will download your contacts, and then you can flick between radio and your phone or your Bluetooth device on this button here, or you can just push media on here. Okay, and then you've got the reverse camera as well. Okay, so if you have got any questions, just give me a call, but you can always refer back to this video. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.